If you want to take a screenshot on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then we have many different ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use the power button and volume down button at the same time. If you press both buttons at once, then you can capture a full screenshot just like that. This is the first method that allows you to capture the screenshot. Another method that allows you to capture a screenshot is to use 3 fingers. You can swipe down from the top like this to capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then once you lift these fingers, you might be able to select the area that you want to capture. So you can take a partial screenshot like this, and also you can press and hold 3 fingers in order to then swipe down once you activate the overlay, so you can capture a partial screenshot like that. And also if you swipe all the way down, just like that, then you can start capturing a scrolling or long screenshot. In my case, on the home screen, of course, I cannot really take the long screenshot, but as you can see, the phone tried to do that. Keep in mind that both the button shortcut, or buttons actually, shortcut, and the gesture method, all of them can be deactivated. So if any of these do not work for you, you have to open settings. Next, we're gonna go to accessibility and convenience. Then over here, proceed to the screenshot option and make sure that these options are enabled if you want to use them. Now, besides that, another way to capture a screenshot is by using the quick settings panel or the control center. In here, by default, you should be able to find the screenshot button somewhere over here, so you just have to look for it. And then you can tap on the button in order to quickly capture a full screenshot. What you can also do is you can tap on the text itself in order to find 2 additional options, scrolling and partial screenshot, so you can capture them over here as well. Not only that, if you use sidebar on your OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then by default the sidebar also has the screenshot option, so you can just tap on that button in order to quickly capture a screenshot. And last but not least, we can also go to settings. Let me actually go back. We're gonna go to accessibility and convenience, and over here we can tap on accessibility. Then we're gonna go to accessibility menu and we can enable this shortcut. And if you turn it on, you can tap on the shortcut button in here, and then you should be able to find the screenshot button that you can also use. Leave a like and subscribe.